Hi there and welcome back. So I'm here to do a flip through of this no, it's not a lap book, it's file folder. Now, I did call it a beginner's file folder, and I know a few people have said in the comments it's not really a beginner's file folder. What I meant by that is I don't mean it's for a beginner who's just beginning in doing junk journals. I was about a year before I even tried to do an altered file folder. So by me calling any of these beginner things, I don't mean an absolute beginner. It's more when you're ready to do that step. So I just wanted to clear that up because I didn't know how to, put that in the kind of title that it's a beginner for when you're ready for that. And the reason why I did call it a beginner is because all the flip elements are all together in one thing, and it was built up very easy rather than flips on this side, flips on that side, flips here. That can get very complicated. So that's why I did call this a beginner's file folder. So I think I'm going to do another beginner's file folder, which maybe just has two elements that flip. Maybe this is a beginner's part 2. And yeah, maybe I need to do one just on covering it, putting the journal in, and a couple of pockets. So I will do another one. So if you did want to do this, if you've only just discovered junk journaling and you've made a tag, this isn't for you. It's for when you've already got the experience of making tags, messing about with envelopes, and that kind of thing. Maybe even made your first journal. I made an altered file folder before I actually made a journal, and I'm still learning making journals, and I've been doing it, it must be a good three years now. So yeah, right, let's do a flip through. So we've got a file folder. It was an American I think like a document size file folder, so it was a little bit bigger than the letter size. I've covered it in this lovely wallpaper, what's really textured, and then I made this topper, which I was over the moon with. Put some eyelets in just for visual. Then we've put the wax seal and the tassel, like what Tina does at Shabby Dabby Doodah. Got a bit of a sewn ruffle there, some paper flowers, which there was white, so I just went over with ink. A couple of butterflies with pearls on, got a bit of lace there, and then this collage on the back. And I've put the ribbon underneath the topper, and it's this lovely green organza. So we've got 2 elastics in it for the journals, and the back's just plain. I didn't put oh, I've stuck that one. Have I stuck that one? I didn't put a large tag down there. I'd actually forgot all about it until I've just got it out. So there is nothing in there, but something can be put in there. So when we open it up, is our Flippy element. So these are envelopes. We made some, I want to call them gussets. They're not gussets. Oh, my brain's totally gone, sorry. And we just attach 1, 2, 3, and then we add this at the back, which is one of the Meadows project kit packs, and this is the pocket full of pockets. So that was a standalone piece, and then these was all hinged like so. So got a journal card in there, a nice little collage here. Did some stenciling and stamping and splashing, and then these are all bits from the Meadow kit. And this is primarily made up with the leftovers from the new project packs. So I did all 6 of the project packs before I started this, and it was with all the leftovers just to see what I could make. But I think I did bring a few things in from the main kits from the year before. So we've got a little circle pocket here with a tiny circle journal card. We've got this what we just put some tickets in, just put some bits here and there. Again, I did the stamping and stuff, which I think goes with the paper really nice. And it saved a lot of that, you know, covering every single envelope. I think I just covered one side of them. So again, we've got the tickets there. We've got a card there. And there's a journal card there, which I've just used the plain backing page. Yeah, we've got a tiny little pocket with a double journal card. I've used, is it Victorian Rose or something as the ink. I think I've put the odd bit of vintage photo. Got a journal card there, and then this big belly band at the back with a double journal card. Okay, and then we've got the pocket of pockets. So we've got this flip, which has got a little pocket with 2 tags in. We've got a tag there and one here. This flips up, and we've got a band with a journal card there. That flips open, so all these bits you can write on. Journal card there and there. Okay, so that's that part. Then in the middle, they're just notebooks, like planner notebooks. These are, you know, I don't know what size they are, like A5. Yeah, they'd be A5, wouldn't they, kind of size. So I've just covered these with the paper and just put a title on, and then I've just left them blank. Okay, and you can obviously take them out, refill them, or take them out to write in. And that's that. And then on this side, we've got the same kind of setup. This is, I think, one of the paper clips that I made. That's just some of the banners from the kit. Got that same splashing. What have we got in here? Oh, got one of those what you can write in there. Got that butterfly. That's a book image. Just put a label on it, and then some writing spaces and a bit of note paper there. And I thought that was quite nice, hanging out the pocket like so. A little pocket here with one of the kit tags, and that flips up. Okay, covered that side, and then we've just got I don't know why I left that like that. There must be a reason. Maybe I was going to pop something in, and then that catches that. There's definitely some reason why I did that. Just can't remember. There's a little tuck here with a little journal card and a flip up tag. We've got the lovely paper in the background with a label. Then we've got this large tag here, which is a page from a book, and I've just backed it in craft card and sewn around it. So I don't know where that was going. Okay, And then the back of this one's got all the splash. Got another circle little journal card there, or tag. Another journal card. This is from a book, and put it on coffee stain paper and sewed around it. Oh, a bit of lace around that pocket. Why isn't that going in? That's that. Another little circle pocket here. Do love the circle pockets, they're so cute. And a pocket there. Again, we've got all the splashes. I don't think there's anything in that one. Little tiny band, which is some stamps which are just left together. That is from one of the kits. And row of tickets, and another journal card from a book. So that is that. So yeah, maybe simple, but not simple. So yeah, I'll definitely do another one, a more simple. But I think this, what I meant by simple is a simple first flippy flappy altered file folder. So maybe I will, when I do the other one, I'll change the title of this and make this you know, a beginner's flippy flappy one, and the other one I'll just call a beginner's altered file folder journal, rather than this being a folio. I would call this a folio journal. Okay, so I hope I've cleared that up and not frightened anybody off thinking, oh my goodness, if I'm supposed to do this as a total beginner, then I don't stand, you know, I don't stand a chance kind of thing. It was, yeah, just, I should have perhaps said it at the beginning of the series, or every single episode of it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed putting it together. It was fun seeing what I could do with the leftovers, and obviously, you know, I've created something really lovely. This, if this is still for sale, then it will be going up in my Etsy at some point today. So I've got another flip through later, which is the Bluebell Woods, and again, that will be in the shop if it's still available today. And if I get a chance, there'll be another flip through today, but I might not get a chance, so that might be at another time. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching the series. Thank you to everybody who's supported me and Nanine in this collaboration. It's one of our favourite kits, and yeah, really enjoyed playing with it again in the new editions, which we did for this year. So hopefully we'll keep adding to it, you know, once a year, just to give it a refresh, because it is one of those kits that, well, I want to use it every year, because it's so pretty. Okay, so I shall see you later for the next flip through. Bye for now.